Grass, plants, and trees, called producers, absorbing light energy from the sun. So the sun's energy is being transferred to producers on Earth. These producers are plants. And these producers use the energy from the sun for photosynthesis, which produces the sugar glucose in plants. So photosynthesis is when carbon dioxide reacts with water using the light energy from the sun to produce oxygen as a byproduct and glucose, a sugar that the plant uses for respiration. And this reaction can only happen with the light energy from the sun. The next stage of a food chain is when a primary consumer will eat the producer. So energy is being transferred in the form of biomass from the grass into the rabbit and from the fruit of the trees into the birds. So the energy stored in the biomass is being transferred from the producer to the primary consumer. Primary consumers consume biomass, and there is an energy transfer into them from the producer. The next transfer of biomass occurs between the primary consumer to the secondary consumer, whereby there is an energy transfer from the primary consumer into the secondary consumer when the secondary consumer eats the primary consumer. So in this case here, the fox eats the rabbit and consumes the biomass, which contains energy and allows the energy to be transferred into the fox. So the algae is the producer. It is also the first trophic level. The mayfly larvae, the blackfly larvae, and the stonewall larvae are all primary consumers. They are also the second trophic level and are herbivores. Diving beetle, water boatman, and water spider and stickleback are the secondary consumers and the third trophic level. These are all in this case carnivores, as they are eating other animals. The frog and the pike are in this case tertiary consumers at the fourth trophic level. So if the pike died out, or if the numbers of pike decreased, that would lead to an increase in numbers of the stickleback, the water spider, and the frog. So if the numbers of diving beetle decreased, what would happen to the numbers of stonewall larvae? Well, the stonewall larvae are going to increase because there are less predators killing them. If there are more stonewall larvae, that would mean there is more food for the water boatman, so the water boatman would then increase in numbers.